boot camp will give you an opportunity to give in your best, to give all that you have to be a winner. This is the place where you will face a lot of challenges. And to win, you have to give your best, no matter what. It is only going to be hard work. All you need is dedication, determination, and courage. Champions will stay and losers will go home. Are you ready to give all that you have? Always remember, there will only be one boot camp champion. Go for the kick. Hello, challengers.
Hello.
Welcome to boot camp.
Thank you.
My name is Iqbal Khan and I'm going to be your boot camp mentor. A team of boot camp experts and I together, we've chosen you because we see a lot of potential in you. Boot camp is basically a combination of workouts and challenges. Boot camp workouts are designed to break you down, to build you back up.
टफ तो होने वाला है बहुत ज़्यादा. हार्ट बीट इंक्रीज हुई थी.
This is the starting. End क्या होगा? आगे क्या होने वाला है? I was very scared about it.
Winning in the boot camp challenge will give you the power to influence the game in your favor. Champions will stay and losers will go home.
Boot camp is not an easy journey, so it's going to be tough and I'll give my best.
I promise you, the challenges will be as tough as this sacred ground that you guys are standing on today.
डेफिनेटली इट्स गोइंग टू बी टफ. जैसे जैसे लेवल्स बढ़ेंगे टफनेस है वो इंक्रीज होने वाली है.
Boot camp requires dedication. This is the place where you guys have no excuse, no distractions whatsoever. Boot camp is not only about physical fitness, it's about mental too.
Anything can happen, which I should be prepared for. So I'm ready for anything because I need to push my limits. I'm ready to win the challenge and I'm ready to compete.
When you want to be fit as badly as you need to breathe, you will be the boot camp champion. So are you ready for a better you?
Yes.
Are you ready to commit?
Yes.
Are you ready to give all that you have?
Yes.
Everything.
Yep.
Yes.
Going for the kill.
Yep.
Yes.
It's just an introduction to the boot camp. It's that threatening that it's going to be really hard ahead.
I want you to meet the first boot camp expert at boot camp headquarters, stationed at Courtyard by Marriott.
When I entered boot camp headquarters, everything was 5-star.
I was very positive. I thought to myself, this is beginning to me being fit.
Welcome to the boot camp headquarters. Are you guys ready to take the fitness challenge?
Yes.
The first step to fitness is food. To know more about food, please welcome our boot camp nutrition expert, Dr. Lavneet Batra.
I am Lavneet Batra. I'm a clinical nutritionist. I work with Sports Authority of India, training elite athletes achieve their fitness and nutrition goals. I believe in giving nutrition plans which are sustainable according to what their body needs. Food does not have to be their enemy. It can be their friend, and I'm here to show them how. Hi.
Welcome to the boot camp.
Thank you.
Tell us, what is fitness for you?
Fitness for me is not a mere destination. I believe it is a way of life. Your workout and your food has to be in synchronization with each other.
All right, challengers. Now you'll have a one-on-one session with Dr. Lavneet, and she will give you a definitive nutrition plan. Let's go.
I felt really positive about meeting a nutrition expert who will help me in attaining my motive to get fit. I'm Aman. I'm 21 years old. I am a student of law. I'm a big foodie. I like food. I cannot say no to any kind of food. When I do a lot of workout and I do not get results, I get upset. I am unhappy sometimes and really very conscious. I want to be on boot camp because I feel that it is a very great opportunity so that I can be fit.
For you to be healthy, you're not going to delete carbs or fat from your diet because that is going to rebound hunger quickly.
Yeah.
right? So your most critical goal while you're at boot camp would be to increase your protein intake. So all the best with your journey at boot camp.
Okay. Thank you so much.
My name is Ravi Srivastava. I'm 29 years old. I was born and brought up in New Delhi, but now I've shifted to Mumbai to pursue my dreams in acting and direction. Fitness, according to me, is a combination of your stamina, strength and focus to do a given task. The conflicts that I've faced is smoking, because I smoke a lot. And I believe the reason why I am not able to overcome it because I don't have a consistency in the daily routines. I want to see myself in a good shape. It means a lot to me. I want to see a transition in me.
Smoking is definitely a big no. It plays a very major role even in your metabolism, so it interferes with your fitness goals. How often do you have tea and coffee?
5 to 6 cups in a day.
All with sugar?
All with sugar, all with sugar.
Your most important goal for the boot camp, you have to cut down on your tea coffee intake to 2 times in a day. And for every cup, you'll have 1 extra glass of water. And this is your goal card. Keep it with you. It will remind you of your goal.
Sure.
And every day you achieve this goal, just cross it off. So you'll stay focused.
I'll try.
Thank you.
मेरा नाम दीक्षा सेलेस्टी सिंह है. मैं दिल्ली से हूँ. मेरी एज 20 है एंड अभी मैं जर्नलिज्म पढ़ रही हूँ. मेरे हिसाब से फिटनेस है जब इंसान का स्टेमिना, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी और स्ट्रेंथ कहीं लैक ना करे. When I was in school, स्टेमिना भी बहुत था बट अब वो नहीं हो पाता. I just can't give up on food. That's the biggest conflict I'm facing right now. Basically, when I'm emotional, I go and eat chocolates.
So that's the relationship you've had with food, that it really gives you comfort.
That gives me comfort.
But you know, I would have to tell you this, that here at boot camp, you will learn how health can give you the same comfort. Your biggest goal would be you will have whole fruit because it is high in fiber, no juices, no sodas. When you do have sweet cravings, I want you to rely only on natural sugar, which is fruit sugar. All the best with your fitness journey at boot camp.
Thank you so much.
मेरा नाम निखिल धमीजा है. मैं 29 साल का हूँ और मैं एक डेंटिस्ट हूँ. मैं एक पंजाबी फैमिली से हूँ तो खाना पीना बहुत सारा चलता है. डाइट कंट्रोल करने के लिए बेसिकली मैंने एक स्लिमिंग सेंटर ज्वाइन किया था. वहाँ मेरी वाइफ मेरे को मिली थी. वो ही मेरी डाइटिशियन थी. उन्होंने मेरे को डाइट प्लान दिया और मैंने उन्हें लाइफ प्लान दिया. अब मैं फिटनेस पे ध्यान इसलिए देना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि आई वांट टू सरप्राइज माय वाइफ. मैं चाहता हूँ कि लोग ये ना कहें कि ये डाइटिशियन का हस्बैंड है. प्लस मैं उनका दिल और जीतना चाहता हूँ.
You know, Nikhil, it is so sweet that you're doing this for your wife.
Actually, she used to punch me in my tummy and say कि इसे कम कर लो.
Okay.
But you know,
So
घर की मुर्गी
you
दाल
are here
बराबर.
and I hope she is happy now. What have been the biggest hurdles in your journey to fitness?
I hate veggies and I like only non-veg. Afghani chicken, butter chicken and biryani and all that.
Non-vegetarian food has a lot of acidic effect on your body. So we have to neutralize it. You need to have at least 5 to 6 servings of vegetables in a day. And make them different colors. It's because they represent different phytonutrients in your diet.
Okay.
Okay?
Is there any time in a day I can have non-veg or I really have to cut that down?
You have to restrict it to not more than once in a day.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
My name is Jacqueline Ledley. I stay in Noida. I'm from Delhi itself. My biggest motivation to get fit is, you know, when I watch any Bollywood movie, when I look at the actresses dancing in item numbers, so I really get motivated, but that's again for a few days, and again I give up. My plans when I get fit is to do a lot, because if I lose weight, I'll do very well in the glamour line. I face this issue because I love eating and I eat a lot of sweets. So I would love to lose weight and improve something.
What have been your challenges to lose weight?
I love eating junk food and sweets. And
now I'm here with my team to give you nutrition guidance, and we will recognize specific goals for you in terms of diet which will help you be fit. Within 15 to 20 minutes of waking up, you have to first hydrate yourself with water. Okay? And then within 1 hour, you will eat. You'll either have yogurt or you'll have a fruit. It could be apple, it could be mango, it could be watermelon. That'll be your major nutrition goal.
Hi, my name is Priyanka Dogra. I'm 25 years old and I've just completed my post-graduation in fashion retail. My hobbies are traveling. I love to travel with my family. I also love eating outdoors. I consider myself unfit because I really don't eat well. My family has legacy of diseases. I have seen them suffering and I want to be the one who inspires them to be fit. Well, maintaining a proper balanced diet for me is the biggest challenge. I eat a lot of junk, I drink aerated drinks, I take a lot of sugar.
I'm not going to starve you, I'm not going to put you off meetha completely, but we will manage it in a better way, right? In the first half of the day, you can have one fruit as a snack. It could be mango, it could be lychee. They're both seasonal, so they are actually very healthy. You will make a habit of actually relying on natural sugar as opposed to refined sugar.
Thank you, I look forward to it.
My name is Harpreet Oberoi. मेरी एज 18+. मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ. मेरी हॉबीज़ है खाना, पीना, खेलना. मुझे खाना पीना बहुत पसंद है. मेरे सामने कोई खाना रख दे तो मैं टूट पड़ूंगा. तो इसलिए मुझे खाने पे काबू करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. जब भी अपने को शीशे में देखता हूँ अपनी फैट बॉडी को तो मुझे बड़ा गुस्सा आता है. खाने पे काबू करना बहुत मुश्किल है मेरे लिए. मुझे अपने ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं कि मैं ज़्यादा समय के लिए कर पाऊँगा या नहीं कर पाऊँगा. मैं इस डर को भगाना चाहता हूँ.
हफ्ते में कितनी बार आप डिनर बाहर खाते हो?
4 to 5 times.
मोस्टली आप चिकन खाते हैं?
चिकन बिरयानी या दाल मखनी.
आपको सब्जियां कैसी लगती हैं?
सब्जियां तो मैं बहुत कम खाता हूँ. ग्रीन वेजिटेबल.
क्यों?
शुरू से नहीं खाई, बचपन से हैबिट नहीं है.
आपके लिए एक रूल है, एक बार बाहर खाना खाया, नेक्स्ट 5 meals विल बी ईदर मिल्क, फ्रूट और होम कुक्ड मील. ओके? सो सबसे क्रिटिकल रूल इज टू डिलीट ईट आउट्स बिकॉज दोज आर एम्प्टी कैलोरीज.
थैंक यू.
I'm Shiva. I'm 23 years old. I've just graduated from law school. It requires a lot of continuous studies, so it gets difficult for me to take time out for myself and work out. There was a time when I've seen what fitness feels like. I have once lost 20 kgs of weight in 5 months. I want to start my journey again of being fit, and I want to be consistent in it, to look as beautiful as I was earlier.
When you put in so much energy and effort in losing weight and then you're back to square one, it's really frustrating.
It's very difficult because when you see your entire gang eating so much, so you feel, "Theek hai, let's just eat."
I want you to make a conscious effort to stick to meals which are mostly and easily prepared at home. So that'll be dal chawal, it'll be paneer and roti, it could be idli sambar. So rely on these foods. I want you to focus on moderate protein and high fiber breakfast. Okay, Shiba, all the best with your journey at boot camp.
So I was very happy and satisfied after the interaction with her.